so tired at my sister's house, but yeah, I was gonna share with you guys real quick. I know the 2021 TLX Type S is not completely out yet. They're saying it's gonna be out in sometime in March. Some are saying it's gonna be above. Well, the infos are actually out like 350 plus horsepower, I think. I'm not too sure if I'm mistaken. Correct me. But I've been thinking, since I have the 1.5 Accord and I got a year left, so I'm thinking I should turn this car in and get the TLX Type S, which is coming sometimes in spring. So definitely, when it comes out, I'll definitely go see it in person for a test drive and everything like that. Really excited. It looks really, really good. So I'm gonna put that video right now that you guys are gonna be seeing it. It was in the car show. So watch that video and let me know what you guys think. If you guys like it, comment below. What do you think? Given my Accord and get the TLX Type S, it's an upgrade. And let me know in the comment below. So keep watching the video, guys. This is gonna be the new Type S TLX for 2021 coming out in spring. So stay tuned and keep watching.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.